Hello, everybody. Welcome into your Talking Fitchburg headlines on this Friday, August 29th, 2025, the final Friday. And heading into the Labor Day weekend as well. Hopefully, maybe you have the day off today. If not, no worries. You still got a long weekend coming up. And if you're working this weekend, thank you. Let's talk about the headlines we're working for you this Labor Day weekend. We start with City Hall closure for Labor Day. Yep, we're closed. And a lot of places will be, but City Hall, Community Center, Senior Center, and Library all closed on Monday, September 1st. We'll reopen on Tuesday, September 2nd at our normal business hours. The library will be closed August 31st through September 1st, FYI. And refuse and recycling delays will be happening because of Labor Day weekend. Due to Labor Day holiday on Monday, September 1st, refuse and recycling collection will be delayed by Pelletieri for one day. So if you regularly picked up on Monday, it'll be picked up on Tuesday, and so on for the rest of the week. You can check in with Pelletieri if you think you've been missed. Fall recycling events coming up on September 13th. The Fitchburg Fall and Shred e-cycling event is back on Saturday, September 13th from 8 to 11 a.m. right here at City Hall. Gather up to 3 grocery bags of confidential paper for shredding and or old electronics for recycling. Note, batteries are not accepted at this event. And some electronics do have extra costs for recycling. Make sure you check the flyer for more information. That is on our website at fitchburgwi.gov. The splash pad at McKee Farms Park will close after this weekend. I know it's sort of been kind of cold out, but nevertheless, the splash pad will end after Labor Day weekend. The splash pad is open daily 10 a.m. to 8 p.m., so if you want to get in any last opportunities to splash some water, this is your time to do it. Make sure you bring a towel. School zones can be chaotic in the morning, and as we head back to school, let's talk about school safety. School zones can be chaotic. Students, parents, teens, crossing guards, bicyclists, buses, and lots of traffic, all causing dangerous situations. Here's some things to think about. Drivers, adhere to speed limits, scan the road, watch for students, stay patient, and follow instructions of a crossing guard. Buckle up, put your phones down every trip, every time. For pedestrians, stay on the sidewalk, use crosswalks, look both ways before crossing the road. And caregivers of teen drivers, talk to your kids about the importance of safe driving when entering and exiting school parking lots. You want to watch out for buses, people, and beyond. Back to school coming up next week, and we all need to do our part to stay safe. And as we head into the weekend, Wisconsin DOT also reminding you here to make sure you're ready for the Labor Day traffic, which it's probably already happened and or is happening currently as you're seeing this. But nevertheless, work zones have stopped for the weekend. But there may still be some areas where there's going to be congestion because of road construction, so make sure you plan ahead when doing so. And then, of course, if you haven't already, download the 511 app. It's the greatest app to stay up to date on real-time information on travel conditions, live traffic cameras, work zones, and incidents across Wisconsin. You can download the 511 app at your favorite app store and visit the 511wi.gov website if you don't want to download the app, and you can always dial 511 for more information as well. Most rest areas are open, and these facilities offer restroom and amenities to take a break when traveling, so you can check those out. And the DOT also offers, make sure you buckle up, put the phones down every trip, every time. Slow down, posted speed limits apply to ideal traffic conditions. Drivers are required to travel in a responsible and prudent speed based on the traffic and weather conditions. Eliminate distractions and focus on what's ahead. Texting and driving is prohibited and very dangerous. It's also legal in Wisconsin for drivers to use any handheld mobile device in work zone. Move over, slow down when you see emergency vehicles on the side of the road working the highway with their flashing lights on. This includes police and fire vehicles, ambulance, tow trucks, and highway maintenance vehicles. In addition, the state law restricts the use of cell phone in the areas surrounding these vehicles. Steer it, clear it. State law requires drivers to move vehicles involved in a crash out of traffic if no one is hurt and the vehicles can be moved safely. If someone is hurt in a vehicle or is disabled, drivers should not risk injury by trying to push a vehicle out of traffic. Wisconsin DMV customer service centers will be closed on Labor Day as well, but you can access the website 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And travelers may want to consider adding emergency contact information to their license plate data. That was a new program kicked off earlier this year. Wisconsin DMV.gov/emergency contact is a convenient way to update your information so law enforcement has the information if they need it to expedite to contact you in case of an emergency. Have a fun and safe weekend, everybody.